All right, this is just a basic furnace change out. An older Lux there. The control board in it got water damage. There's a flood in the basement. So I'm just gonna change it out. I have some 8-inch concrete blocks here I'm gonna prop it up on. So I have to cut some of that plenum transition away, rebuild some of it, raise that return boot up, and I'll just plumb right back into the intake and exhaust flue pipes there. I'll just couple back into them or adapt back into them however I need to. All right. The basement is disgusting. There is dog shit all over the floor. Everywhere. Everywhere. Ugh, I don't want any of my tools touching it. Oh. I don't have anything to hold the camera. I'm working on that. So I'm just gonna splice together some video of me changing it out rather than me propping the camera up somewhere, having to hold it, because it's just me here, so. All right, old furnace is out. Right now, I'm just drawing my lines to compensate for the 8-inch concrete blocks I'm putting under. So, let's draw a line around. I'm just gonna use the shears to cut right around. And I'll just bring this return boot up to here. And then I'll worry about that plenum transition later. That'll be next. All right, getting there. New furnace is in. I cut down the plenum transition. I don't know, I think it was like 7 1/4. I just zipped around it with the grinder. I'm just trying to line all these pieces up now. I'm hoping I can just get this to drop down flat on here and I can just screw it to it. This return boot is, it is what it is. Low budget job, but it'll turn out nice. You'll see later in the video that I am able to get that return boot tight up against the furnace, and I do silicone the gaps around it. I'll tell you, my exhaust and my intake on the Goodmans these days, the exhaust is on the right and the intake is on the left. And now Goodmans are starting to put ECM blower motors in their furnaces, I guess per regulations. So we'll see how these hold up. Never had a problem with the old PSC style. Okay, I'll get back in a little bit. All right, that's it. She's up and running. I'll put a T there just in case the guy wants to add air conditioning at some time. You never know. I just reused the old gas line stuff. Some of it. I did have to use a few of my nipples. Fittings. Some new PVC, but I just plumbed it right back into his existing vent intake. It turned out all right. Now I just gotta clean up all this crap. I gotta hump this thing up those steps. That's gonna suck. Oh well, that's it for this one.